Well, as you can see, we're going to look at the Watercolor Escapes. This is a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory. Now, this is an A4 size, as their topper collections always are. And let me show you what's inside. Well, you can see that makes 16 cards. You can always make more, but that's what they start with. Now, this collection has 112 foiled die cuts, and they are gorgeous. Let me tuck these things away so we can focus on this. It also, so let me show you this. So you can see it's all about watercolors and those escapes, flowers, and a beautiful foiling that has kind of a texture to it. So that's really nice. So you're going to get 2 of these. You're going to get 2 of everything I'm showing you. Now with that, you're going to get a foiled cardstock. How pretty is that? And then a printed cardstock, which gives you kind of the landscape. Now we'll get into this one, which is called, interestingly enough, Winter Wishes. And as you can see, the same foiling, that kind of textured, and multiple die cuts on one sheet. And this is also going to coordinate with, as you can see, the foiled cardstock and the patterned cardstock. The next one is called Autumn Dream. So I guess they're giving it to us for the whole seasons, all the seasons of the year. And as you can see, there's borders, there's greetings, and then the coordinating foiled and coordinating printed. Then the last one is Summer Days. So there we go, very lovely. And the coordinating foiled and the printed cardstock. There's also an idea sheet included, and that's going to get you kind of kickstart your creativity. Now, as always, to coordinate with this, there is a Watercolor Escapes Adorable Scorable. There's 30 sheets. You get 3 of each color, and here is that array. The Adorable Scorable is a very heavy weight cardstock. It is single-sided, and you get the colors that will match all of the toppers that we just walked through. So that works out quite nicely. Now, something else that's different with this collection is the foiled acetate. One of my favorites that Hunkydory does. This has 16 sheets, so you're going to get 4 designs, and you're going to get 4 of each of them. And look at that, how pretty is that? Now, this is silver, and on the other side is gold, and that's got kind of a stardust spattered, really nice. And here we have the corner treatments. Again, silver on one side, gold on the other, so you are never wanting. Here is a border of flowers. Give you both versions. And then there's also this with the birds flying, really pretty. And of course, these are A4 size, so you're going to get several cards out of each one. Now finally, or almost finally, there is the square little book of Watercolor Escapes. Now this has 150 sheets. There are 25 designs, so you're going to get 6 of each one. They measure 4 7/8 inches square. And let me just quickly go through the designs so that you can see. Now, if you were looking at the toppers as I went through, you'll see that this is the same art, but blown up for you so that you can do more things with it. These are a lightweight paper, but they'll work perfectly for any of your paper crafting needs. So as you can see, this is also traveling through all of the seasons, giving you the landscapes, which is really a very different look. Also, there are cutouts, so you're going to get 6 of these, and you can see that they're going to coordinate perfectly with all the art that you've just seen. So we're almost at our 25, if you've been counting, just to show you all of them. And hopefully I haven't skipped on any, but if I have, you get the idea of what is in here. Now, I have one more piece that is part of this collection, and Let me bring that in. Okay, just to repeat, that's the square little book of Watercolor Escapes. Now there's also part of the Watercolor Escapes that is what Hunkydory calls a concept card kit. Now this is the same style of card, and you really get a nice little look right there, but you will get different artwork to make these. So these are called a pop-out window concept card. And let me give you a closer look at that so you can see. So each card is made from 2 pieces, and then there's also kind of the paramount, it kind of is a pyramid style where the layers are put one upon the other and foam taped. And so let me show you. There are instructions, as you can see, very easy to do. What's included are the cards themselves. Now, to make each card, you need 2 pieces, as I said. So one is foiled, and it has a layer on the inside. So you pop that out, and this is the inside of the card. So you get the same idea of the scenery as well as the floral. And as I said, this will make 8 different cards. So you get the pink, and as you can see, that look. And they're scored already. It's ready for you to do the mechanism. And here is the autumn look. And here is the summer look. So all of those. Then in addition, you get sheets like this with all of the pop-out elements. So as I said, this is built on it's kind of a pyramid type where this goes on top of here. You simply match the art. This goes on top of here, all matched with foam tape. You've got borders, you've got greetings, you've got extra accents in all 4 styles. And again, you get 2 of each one. So that is our Watercolor Escapes collection. As I said, there is the concept card. There's also the foiled acetate, which is lovely. The adorable Scorable, which gives us our solid colors. Of course, the topper collection, because that's our basis. And then as an extra bonus, also this square little book of Watercolor Escapes. All of these are all together, and of course, you can buy them separately here at paperwishes.com.